Hi, this is Mary Guzman, CEO and founder of Crown Jewel Insurance, here to talk to you today about a new product and services that we've wrapped around that product that we're rolling out, and I'm very excited about it. Having spent 25 plus years as an insurance broker and consultant on the cyber, information security, technology, and intellectual property risks that major corporations face, I decided to form a company that could write a policy that fills a gap that I think has been there for some time. And that gap is for an insurance policy that would cover the intrinsic value of trade secrets, or the crown jewels of an organization. 80% of senior executives now recognize that trade secrets are critical to their business, and 69% of those companies foresee trade secrets as becoming more important than any other category of intellectual property. A lot of organizations don't know how to detect when their trade secrets have gone missing or have been misappropriated, and then when they have gone missing or been misappropriated, they don't know what to do to enforce their rights around those trade secrets. So our company set out to develop a holistic approach to trade secret asset risk management, including not only an insurance policy that would be a first of its kind, but also a full suite of services in support of that insurance policy that would really bring an entire trade secret risk management solution to the companies who purchase this, and as importantly, their investors and lenders. First of all, every single company really should know the value of their trade secret assets, just like you know the value of your tangible assets, your computer systems and your desks and your buildings. And the reason you should know the value of your trade secrets is because it gives you substantial bargaining power and additional negotiating ability for the sale or licensing of those assets, or frankly, for the entire company. It also can help you realign how you're protecting those trade secret assets. It does allow you to obtain loans using the assets as collateral, just like you would for any tangible assets. And then finally, if we can value something, there's a very good chance that we can insure it. Private equity and other potential investors can now, for the first time, really protect their assets in a much more meaningful way. We've developed a full suite of services to go around the insurance product, and we're calling the trade secret risk management tools that we've developed collectively the Crown Jewel Protector. The insurance policy that is really at the heart of our offering is called Crown Jewel Insurance. It's a first of its kind, and we're super excited to be able to announce it. It triggers off the suspected theft, copying, or misappropriation of trade secret assets. We believe that as of January 2020, we can secure $50 million or more of insurance capacity backed by A-plus paper. And that insurance coverage includes 3 insuring agreements. One is breach, response, and recovery expense. The goal here is to get an emergency injunction, first and foremost, based on an ex parte seizure order that's allowable under the Defend Trade Secrets Act. Insuring Agreement B, or the second insuring agreement, pays the fair market value of the stolen, copied, or misappropriated trade secret. And that applies if Insuring Agreement A was not successful, in the sense that we were not able to get an emergency injunction. So if we're unsuccessful under Insuring Agreement A in stopping the bleeding, then Insuring Agreement B kicks in and we pay the fair market value that's previously agreed of the trade secret asset. Insuring Agreement C is what we're calling enforcement and mitigation expenses, and that covers the cost of the attempt by the panel and the underwriters to recover trade secret assets, whether or not they were compromised by a covered security breach or not. And that's something unique to this insurance coverage and unique to the recovery of trade secret assets. We also have partnered outside of the insurance with other firms to help us in the mitigation and underwriting of the trade secret assets that we want to cover under this policy form. The first is the Valuation Expertise, which will come from Alvarez and Marcel. They're uniquely qualified to provide that asset valuation. That's what they do for a living. The second is a blockchain software platform called Trade Secret Examiner that's used to index and record the characteristics of trade secret assets so that you know whether or not you can meet the 6-factor litmus test around each specific asset and know that you're spending the appropriate amount of time, money, and energy around protecting a particular trade secret asset. We're also offering dark web monitoring and breach investigation / forensic services by a company called X Cyber Group, which is a British intelligence and security firm that employs mainly former British intelligence officers. We've engaged the expertise of Fisher Broyles for trade secret enforcement and litigation support. Fisher Broyles is one of the most well-renowned and well-respected intellectual property litigation firms in the United States. And finally, we've developed a proprietary security and threat assessment methodology as part of the underwriting process. Thanks for your interest in this product and service offering, and we've got more information coming on www.tradesecretinsurance.com. We look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much.